Deciphering family titles, the key to English conversations at home. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be diving into an exciting and fundamental topic in English language learning: addressing family members. You will learn about commonly used titles for family members like mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa, and how to use them in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Understanding family titles is very important in English because it reflects respect, closeness, and forms a significant part of our daily interactions. The basic titles we use in addressing family members are: Mom. This is an affectionate term for mother. Dad. This term is used for father. Grandma. This is a friendly term for grandmother. Grandpa. This term is typically used for grandfather. These are terms of endearment and are commonly used in both written and spoken English. It's one thing to know these titles, but it's another to use them correctly in sentences. Here are some examples. Mom, can you help me with my homework? In this sentence, Mom is used to address the speaker's mother. Dad, where are my shoes? Here, Dad is being used to ask a question to the speaker's father. I am going to visit Grandma and Grandpa this weekend. In this instance, Grandma and Grandpa are used to denote the speaker's grandparents. These terms are used in place of the individual's name and are capitalized in English when they replace a person's name. It's important to note that these titles are not just identifiers, but they also convey a sense of respect and affection. Calling someone Mom or Dad usually implies a close and loving relationship. Similarly, Grandma and Grandpa often convey not only respect for one's elders but also affection and familial love. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about addressing family members in English. We hope this video helps you to better understand these family titles and gives you confidence to use them in your daily conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about conveying feelings and respect. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Join us in our next video where we'll explore more exciting topics. Until then, keep learning and take care.